All right, here's what I want to look at with you guys today. When we're looking at doing temperature conversions, there's really only two that you need to worry about, and that's going from degrees Celsius into degrees Fahrenheit and from degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. And the math behind both is pretty simple. Really all you do is this. With degrees Fahrenheit, you take 1.8 and you multiply it times your temperature in Celsius, push enter on your calculator, and then add 32 to that number, and that will get you degrees Fahrenheit. On the other hand, if you want to convert from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, all you really need to do is this. Take your temperature in Fahrenheit, subtract 32 from that number, and then push enter on your calculator, and then divide that answer by 1.8. And the number that you get will be your temperature in Celsius. Let's look at a couple of examples for that. To go from 23 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, let's look at an example. This will be from centigrade to degrees Fahrenheit. So let's take our 23 degrees Celsius, and we want to multiply that times 1.8 from our math right there, and then we want to add 32 to that number. So when we do, what you're going to get is 23 times 1.8, push enter on your calculator, and then add 32. And the number you're going to get is going to be 73.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So we've converted from degrees Celsius into degrees Fahrenheit. If we go back the other way, from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, what you're going to get is this. Let's look at an easy example. Do easy math. Let's go from 32. Let's go from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So if we do that, that would be 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we want to subtract 32 from that and then divide it by 1.8. So for our example here, it would be 32 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32, which is 0, and then we want to divide that by 1.8. So that would be 0 divided by 1.8, which is 0 degrees Celsius. Those are a couple of examples. I'll be here in class. If you need me, holler if I can help you.